Hi all, what we see here is original AirPod Gen 1, and these AirPods are not holding charge, they are working. By the way, they are still working with a very good sound that is not compared to any other thing, but it doesn't hold charge. When I charge them about, I think, 30 minutes, it is losing all the charge and I need to recharge. So this is the time to try to replace battery. And yeah, you can replace battery. Actually, I've ordered just one battery to see first if it will work, because the battery is pretty expensive. This is the battery here. You can see how tiny it is. I don't know if it is original or not, but it should be inserted somewhere inside. And yeah, this is the time to try to fix it. So let's try to do it. What I've seen is, first thing, of course, to heat it, and then after about 2-3 minutes to start with very gently with a knife, like a surgery knife, to open it. And you need to be careful, of course, not to cut the wires, because there is a flat cable that is connected to this part. And yeah, I'm curious if it will work or I will ruin it forever. But there is one way to do it, and this is just to try. So I will now heat my hot air gun, and let's try to do it. What do I have to lose? Anyway, it doesn't work for a long time, so let's try to do it. So actually I don't know even from what side I need to heat it, but of course you cannot heat it too much because this is a plastic. Maybe I will put it like this, because I see that the hot air is higher than the earphone itself, so maybe something like this. And yeah, and of course not too close, not too far, just until it will hit. Maybe it's better to do it with microscope and to see everything big, but maybe I will move to microscope after I will do the first step to open it. Yeah, it does lose. I don't believe it, but yeah, do you see? It is opening. I think I have enough heat, but again the problem is that I don't know to which side to open it. Because if I'm not on the correct side, I will tear the cable. So it is open already, so I can stop the heat. Where is the cable? On what side? So by magic it is open to the correct position. I would have never guessed which is the correct side. You see there is a lot of sticky something. Trying to remove the glue but not to harm this earphone. So now the question is, how to remove the contact from the battery itself, because it's very close to the battery and I need a soldering iron in order to heat it, and then I think I will be able to take it out. But at that point I think it will be clever to work with a microscope and not like this. So amazingly I could open this part. What is going here, this part of the battery is soldered to this wire, and on the other side, after you close it, there is the second connection of the battery. So wow, it's so damn complicated. But now I think maybe we can use the battery connection in order to pull the battery out. I'm not sure. I haven't seen anyone doing it, but I will try to do it. What do I have to lose? But first, of course, we need to reheat everything again, because if it is not heated, so the glue will not be loosened enough. So let's again try to do it. Yeah, I'm hitting it somehow. Not in the frame, so I will try to move it a little. Now after it is heated, I will try to pull the battery out, but you can damage all the cable and everything is so gentle. I don't think that it was meant for any repair. But again, what do I have to lose? Anyway, I can't work with earphone for 20 minutes. Okay, so now let's try now. So that won't work. So you need actually to touch the battery from both sides. I have no idea how this can be done, but the other way was to put some isopropyl inside and then try to do it. So maybe I will try the second option. Actually, I need to see what I do. It's like there are two holes on the battery, in order to pull it up. The plastic is already half broken here. Up. You see it? This is the battery. Okay, I could take it out. Now I need to understand how to put everything back, if at all, if it is possible. Okay, so I hope I will not short anything, but I think I have in my mind how it should be. So you have here the contact. So this contact should go to this contact, so it must be inserted in this way only. So let's try to do it very gently. Yeah. And then another push. Now I need to solder this guy to the tab. So let's try to do it. Yeah, I can do it. No problem. I'm just thinking if to use a little solder paste, or maybe I don't need it at all. No, I think I don't need it. So just a tiny bit of solder. Yeah, it's connected already. Okay. So now we can bend it very gently back to its place. Maybe use a plastic tool to do it and not a metal one. Yeah, and on the other side I have to solder this part to here. And by this its end, it's a little lost its original shape. Anyway, if it works, what do I care about the shape? Let it work, that's all. So now this is the tricky part. To catch it and on the same time to solder it. This is a tricky part indeed. Trying to find out how to do it correctly. Yeah, I think I have done it. I think I have done it. No, no, it did open back, so I really need to use some solder paste. Okay, no worries. Now I'm sure it's okay. But before I glue it, let's try to see if the phone recognizes it. So first, yeah, do you see? It is working. This is working, so I just don't know if it is charging, so I will try now maybe to glue, to put a tiny glue, a bit of a glue. Okay, so I think it is working, but let's see. Okay, how do I see each one separated? Yeah, you see this, you can see all the glue and everything, and it is working and charging. Unbelievable, 85%. This one, the right is outside. This is charging, so you can see 85%, 86. So this is working. Actually, it can be done. Very difficult, not for the average user, but can be done. Thank you and bye.